Crypto.com Crowcoin holders. Crowcoin has been quite disappointing this cycle. Let's just be completely honest, rip that band-aid off. Now, in my opinion, right now, Crowcoin is sitting at a very precarious level, while Bitcoin is also sitting at a very, very important level. We're going to be talking about this because I think right now there's an opportunity for Crowcoin to not disappoint us. So without further ado, welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Anything I say in this video is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. Let's hop into it. All right, guys, I want to start off here with a post I made on Twitter. Follow me at 333 Blacksea on Twitter. I say Crowcoin holding support and looking like a short-term bottom is forming. It really does. While Bitcoin is stuck below key support at 88,000. Conflicting price action, going to be a very interesting week. Do not disappoint me. Crowcoin. Now, let me explain to you what I'm seeing here. So first, I posted a photo of Crowcoin right now, and it does look like a local bottom is trying to form here, especially if we hold above the 10-cent price level or 0.09922, basically 10 cents, right? If we can hold above that level, I expect a little bit of a bounce here and actually a first step in the right direction of a, dare I say it, a bullish reversal, guys, all right, for the short term. Now, when I look at Bitcoin, on the other hand, we are stuck below 88K. We put a little bull trap in, a little baby bull trap right above 88K. Now we're down below it, and we're getting daily candle closures below it. So very conflicting price action, because when you see this, that we can't hold over 88,000 on Bitcoin, usually that means we're getting ready to spill over. And we're gonna pick this apart a little bit more. But looking at Crowcoin right now, look at this, guys. Like this is not half bad. It ain't too bad, right? When I look at this, I'm not hating it. Am I still bearish on it? Yes, but I will say that this could be the inkling of a bottom forming right now, because if we hold above 10 cents, this is, guess what, guys? A higher low. It may not be much, but it is a higher low, and I do think that this is, regardless, we're not out of the woods yet, but this is the first step in that direction to seeing that light through the leaves. You're looking through the forest, it's pitch black, and you see some sparkling of light, and that's where we're at right now, all right? We're not out of the woods. We're not seeing the horizon, not yet, but this is the beginning of it. This is the first inkling of hope, okay? And when you look at market cipher here, you see the momentum waves coming to the downside, the money flow coming to the downside significantly. So keep in mind here, guys, like, this is why I'm saying there's a lot of conflicting price action, because this is the beginning of a reversal, but Bitcoin could bring us down further. So that's why I say, like, do not disappoint me, Crowcoin, please. But in the meantime, guys, yes, I am short Crowcoin. I am still short because I do believe that the risk is to the downside. I'm up about $1,300 on my Crowcoin short. I've added to this position on the last bounce we had, up about 500% on the trade. Not a large position. It originally was a high leverage scalp, and really I missed the top to really significantly layer into a short position. I'm waiting for a true continuation of the upside to actually add with size, which would be like, if this bullish reversal comes up to, say, 12 cents or 15 cents, then I'll be looking for some significant size to actually add to these short positions. Now, if you guys do want to trade and you want access to our private Discord with Crypto Kip and I, where we give our trade signals and talk about our trade setups, feel free to check out in the pinned comment section or description box below. All you have to do is sign up to Blowfin using the link down below. You get a $5,000 sign-in bonus, as well as access to our private Discord server. You click the Blowfin link, you sign up, you create an account, then you go further down in our description. We have a Discord link. You click that, follow a couple steps, and then come say hi in our Discord. Now, guys, all the links down below are affiliate links. That helps with this channel. But there's also a lot of lucrative bonuses for you guys, so feel free to check them out. It's a win-win for everybody, right? So, Bitcoin right now, rejecting below 88,000, right? Now, this could be a higher low. It could be the beginning of it on the daily time frame, but man, like, there is a lot of conflicting price action here. On the daily, you look at the RSIs and they're pointing down. And it's not straight down, but it's pointing down. The money flow is growing. The momentum wave is just starting to the downside. And you look at this, like it's due for continuation to the downside, but just because the indicators are flashing that does not mean that you have to be using multiple indicators, and you have to be using your experience in the market for what you're familiar with to actually draw a conclusion of which direction the price is going to be headed. And in my opinion, when I zoom out here and I look at this, I think that, yeah, like the moves to the downside, the sellers are probably a bit exhausted here. Now, do I think that we're not going to go lower? No, I definitely think we're going to go lower. But the question is, do we get that true bounce to, say, 94,000 or 100,000 before that happens? And in my opinion, I would place a bet on that happening. Now, it's not financial advice. I'm just telling you how I'm viewing this market and how I'm navigating it. And guys, I still am in my short positions, and I'm not going to exit my short positions even if we do come up to 100,000, because I will be looking to add into that. Now, you may say, Blacksea, well, what is the target for you to be like, I am full on bull? Like, guys, we got to be closing back above like 110,000 or testing 110,000 before I even start to flip like macro bullish. I know that sounds crazy, but that's really where we're at here, in my opinion. And I think that I need to see like that happen over time. Like, if we saw a move straight up to 110,000 from here like this, that would be very sketchy, and I'd be looking for a massive short opportunity, in my opinion. But guys, let me know in the comments section below, what do you think's next for Crowcoin? Do you think that we're going to see a bounce here? Do you think that Crypto.com is going to pull Crowcoin up by its bootstraps and bring us back to $1? Or is the dilution going to be affecting us in a negative way? I don't know what you guys think. In my opinion, I think that any bounce here is for shorting and really an exit opportunity. But guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I still hold a few 100,000 Crowcoin, which I will not be selling on a bounce, I will say. Now, you should figure out what strategy works out best for you guys, and if you guys want to take profit, if you haven't taken profit, that's up to you. But guys, I've been taking profit along the way up on all my altcoins, and really I've just been shorting alts and buying Bitcoin every single day as a hedge. But that's all I got, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Come say hi to us in our private Discord by signing up to Blowfin using the link down below. I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.